What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry Z, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Buying the Dip. Alright, so in today's video, let's get into GNUS brands. Let's just get right into it, not messing around here. Yes, I have 100 shares of GNUS. This is an update video from what I did about a week ago. And I have 100 shares, and we're going to scroll down here and get the bad news. Yes, you can see total return is negative $151. Ouch. Okay, so yeah, the reason for that is I sold a put, and on that news that came out about them teaming with Stanley's International, the international brand, and Stan Lee, basically this stock plummeted. I mean, it went down like crazy. It's a very, like I always said, it's a very controversial stock. So I was assigned the shares at $3 a piece, and now we're down to $1.49 a share. So as my YouTube channel says, buying the dip, this could be a great opportunity to cut my cost in half with basically buying the dip. But everything is not a total loss, guys, because I haven't sold these shares. I don't plan on selling them. I'm just going to go in and sell my calls, get some weekly money back on the calls. Even if it's a little bit of money, it all adds up, which I'll go in and show you that right here. Go down here to my history, and I already did the math for you guys. So I purchased the 100 shares at $300. You can see there, put assignment, but I did get a $55 collateral. Then the next week I sold a $3 call, got $11 premium, and then the week after that I sold another $2 call for $17. So that was a total of $83 in collateral that I earned back on just selling calls. And I forgot to sell a call the week after. I don't know how I forgot, but I forgot. That was on my bed, so I might have lost out on $5 or something there.
Till tomorrow, hon. That's mean. I have to get the fake money.
But anyway, I collected $83 in collateral so far. I will definitely make sure I sell my call this week to recoup some of my money. So if I take the $83 in collateral that I earned, and as you see, right now the stock is worth $149. That is a total of $232, which puts me at a net loss of $68. So it is a lot better than seeing 151, which actually I'm only 68 if you go on the credits that I did receive. So not horrible. Like I said, you never lose until you sell, so never give up, guys. Just don't sell it because the stock dropped. This is some news I found which I think could be a little bit of hope for this stock. Now, I know this is a little bit of old news, but I was not aware of this. I did not know that Arnold Schwarzenegger announced that he is going to be a significant investor, and he agreed to accept warrants to buy stock as an advance as he stars in and co-produces Stan Lee's superhero kindergarten. So that's pretty cool. That I did not know that Mr. Arnold was a investor in GNUS brands. So if he's heavily invested in it, I'm sure he's not going to sell his warrants out. He's going to hope, like the rest of us do, that this stock gets some good news and partners up with other people in the future. And then that way this stock can just soar up, and then our calls we sell can be for more money. So this article right here was posted back in, I believe it was June. But like I said, this was news to me as I did a little bit more research. So it shows here back in June that, shares picked up as the company announced that Arnold Schwarzenegger has agreed to become a significant investor. And the announcement comes as the company's new cartoon channel launches on multiple streaming platforms, including Dish, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, Sling TV, and Comcast Xfinity On Demand. So this show is definitely going to be seen on a lot of very popular platforms, which is good. And it says down here, Schwarzenegger has elected to receive warrants to buy the GNUS brand's common stock as an advance on his profit participation in the show Stan Lee's Superhero Kindergarten, which he is starring and co-producing. The show is expected to premiere in the U.S. in 2021 on Amazon Prime. So that's pretty cool. It will be airing in the U.S. on Amazon Prime. And GNUS Brand says, here's the company said, any further payouts to Schwarzenegger are expected to be in cash. So that's pretty cool, which basically means that Arnold has received a bunch of warrants, which is basically a warrant is basically a contract to buy the stock at a price at a later date. So let's say the stock right now is, let's just say the $1.50. His warrants could be probably like 30 cents or something. Because usually if a warrant, say if a stock is like $10, the warrants are around like $1.50 to $2. So I think they're like less than 20%. And what that means is, say this GNUS brand stock jumps up to $5, Arnold is going to be able to buy those stocks at the price agreed that he made of GNUS. So that could be a good investment, long-term investment for Arnold there, depending how many he has. And the other news we have here is, if you go to GNUS Brand's actual website, it's a pretty good, man. It says that they are content with a purpose for toddlers and tweens, which basically means they're going to be kid-friendly. I mean, it's going to be pretty cool. I mean, they're going to have the chance to create new characters with using Stan Lee's, name. Now, I can't use any of the Marvel content, but they have a chance to make these characters popular. And it's pretty cool that during this show that Arnold Schwarzenegger is going to do the voiceover as the teacher. So I think that's pretty cool. It's going to be showing about health, exercising, and anti-bullying. So it's a very positive show. I think once this show maybe airs on TV and Arnold promotes it a little bit, that could be a little bit of hope for us that this stock could pick up. So if you have this stock, I would not recommend selling off. I know we're going to have to basically ride the wave right now because this thing is tanking pretty good, but a lot of stocks are tanking right now. So just ride it out, guys, and we'll get there in the future. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. Please leave a comment down below. Also, if you use my Robinhood link, download the app, link up your bank account, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. I'll open it up on the channel. And guys, always remember when you're buying stocks to buy the dip.